Hi, my name's Rick Sir. I'm with eLearning here at the Community Colleges of Spokane. I get questions about how can I make my webcam videos look better. There is no right or wrong answer to that, but there is always the question of who's that silhouetted person. So we're going to go through a few tips and tricks and see if we can figure out a way to help you out. So let's get started. Okay. I think we've always seen things that look something like this. Who is that person? And we're just kind of mambling around and nobody really knows anything. So first off, why is this happening? Obviously, it's brighter behind me than it is in front of me. So we want to get more light onto our face. Obviously, the easiest way to do that is to, let's just spin around. Look at there. Perfect. So obviously facing the window helps out a lot. It brings in the sun evenly onto your face and your students will be able to see you no problem. But what if you cannot face the window? What if you have your windows on the side and you go dark on your one side of your face? Well, first off, we've got an issue behind us. What's in the ceiling? We need to turn those off. Now, we have that under control, and this is all about controlling the light on your face. We're still really bright from the sun, but what if we use something like a lamp? Yeah, a lamp could easily fix your problem. Something like this will easily fix something as simple as that. So if we turn on one, that will help out a lot. What if we went with two? That helps a lot even there. See, it filled in the dark side of my face. I still have a bit of a dark and black side, but what if we took off the lampshade? That helps out quite a bit. It balanced out how the sun is coming in from this side and your face. But you say, Rick, you know, it kind of looks like I'm yellow on one side and I'm kind of blue on the other. Well, that's just science. That's because the sun is at 5600 Kelvin and a normal light bulb is at 3200 Kelvin. So how can we balance this? Simple. I have a little home trick that might just work for you. It's called a reflector. Easy enough. Piece of cardboard with some tin foil. Let's see how it works. Okay, so let's move our lamp over here. We will turn that off. We're going to use it as a reflector stand. So obviously, if you can get that balanced just right, play around with it, it's sometimes a little difficult. Where are you? There you go, about right. You still get a little bit of fill in on the side. It's still bright on the other side, but you're filling in here as you can see my shadow. And it's the right color, if you will. Anyway, simple tricks, play around with things. You might even just be able to move closer to a white wall and put a lamp and reflect it back onto your face that way. Simple things to lighten up your face, but remember, have your face brighter than your background.